Welcome back to Auto Revolve Channel, where we explore the fascinating world of automotive technology. Today we're diving into the heart of Europe's automotive innovation, Germany, to showcase 4 high-tech car companies that have been pushing the boundaries of engineering and design. Number 4. Porsche. Porsche, famous for its sports cars, combines speed and sophistication. Their hybrid models like the Panamera e-Hybrid show that high performance and eco-friendliness can coexist. Number 3. Audi. Audi is known for its Quattro all-wheel drive system, progressive technology and elegant designs. They're pioneers in autonomous driving, with the AI traffic jam pilot making waves in the industry. Number 2. BMW. BMW, or Bayerische Motoren Werk, is renowned for its cutting-edge technology, sleek designs and the ultimate driving experience. They've pioneered innovations like the iDrive infotainment system and electric vehicles like the BMW i3 and i8. Number 1. Mercedes-Benz. Mercedes-Benz, a division of Daimler AG, is synonymous with luxury and innovation. Their S-Class sedans are a testament to automotive excellence, featuring state-of-the-art safety tech, autonomous driving capabilities, and exquisite craftsmanship. These 4 German car companies continue to raise the bar when it comes to automotive technology. From electric vehicles to autonomous driving, they are at the forefront of innovation. And of course, we can't forget their commitment to performance and luxury. As we wrap up our journey through German automotive excellence, let us know in the comments which of these high-tech car companies has caught your eye. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more automotive content. Thanks for joining us today on Auto Revolve Channel. Until next time, drive safe and keep exploring the world of high-tech cars.